In today's video, I'll show you how to install and use a mod menu in Watch Dogs 2. Check my video description for this mod download link. Right click and select WinRAR and select Open with WinRAR. Open Scripthook and close tab here and right click on the game and select Open File Location. Make sure you are in the bin folder and drop these files inside the bin folder. Once you drop, launch the game. Once you are in game, press F4 to open up the Scripthook trainer. Using the up arrow and down arrow, choose option. Press enter to select option. To go back, use the backspace key. Go to vehicle, spawn, choose the car you like to spawn. And to close this menu, press the F4 key. And now you can enjoy the game, guys. I hope this video helped you. If the video helped you, don't forget to leave a like and subscribe. Thank you.